Breaking news! Today I have a special guest. First time ever. She will help me for the lesson. Hi guys, I hope you're fine today. If you are as happy as I am, please like just now. You know that encourages me to continue to offer you great lessons. And today's lesson is very special, as I told you. We have a special guest. Let me introduce her to you.
Hi everybody, I'm Nathalie's mother.
Yes, she's my mother. She will help me for the lesson. So let's get started. So tell us, when did you come?
I came on Monday evening at 6 p.m.
Okay, and how long are you staying?
I will stay here for 3 days till Thursday afternoon.
Okay, excellent. And why did you come?
It is school holidays, so I wanted to see my daughter, and that's why I'm here.
Oh, lovely. And tell us, what do you eat for breakfast?
For breakfast, I wanted Nathalie to take care of me, so I asked her to cook a lemon. To press lemon juice and honey, and to cook her homemade brioche, because I like it too much.
Yes, absolutely. My mother loves my homemade brioche. Let me show you what I did just before she came. Before the baking, after the baking, look at that. Yeah. Ta-da! As you can see, I baked a brioche. When you speak about cake, bread, brioche, you use the verb to bake, okay? Instead of to cook, you use the verb to bake. So I baked a brioche, homemade brioche, because she likes it so much and I wanted to please her. And let me give you one expression with baking. As you could see in the video, I said before baking and after baking. And there is an expression. If someone enters the room and says, "Oh, it's baking in here," it means it's too hot, it's really, really hot. Or I'm baking, okay? If you say I'm baking, it means you are really, really hot. Okay, so if someone tells you that, you may open the window because it means it's too hot, okay? It's baking in here. And tell us, it's your turn. Tell us, how often do you see your parents? Do you see them for special occasions or do you see them on a regular basis? You see special occasions versus regular basis. Tell me in the comments, and as usual, make sentences to practice. I hope you like this video. If so, please like it and share it. You know that when you like and when you share, it helps me help more and more people. Now you know my mother. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done it yet. I will be happy to see you again very soon. Bye bye.
Bye bye everybody.
Thank you, Mommy.